Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will get the Ring Chime Pro setup and installation process. Here we provides the troubleshooting steps, reset process and firmware update. Let's start. First of all, plug the Ring Chime Pro into the suitable wall outlet of your space, where you want to place it. Select a location for the Chime device within Wi-Fi network range. Download the Ring app on your mobile phone. If you are using Android, then download it from Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, then you can download it from App Store. After downloading, install and launch the Ring app. In the app, tap on Set up a device option. Then you need to choose Chime Pro from the device list. Here you need to follow the on-screen instructions from the app by choosing Continue button. Use the app's camera to scan the QR code on the Chime Pro or its packaging, or manually enter the QR pin. The QR pin or code is available on the backside of the Chime Pro. Now, confirm location and name for the Ring Chime Pro. The Ring app may guide you to connect to the temporary Wi-Fi network the Chime creates. Here, you need to choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. After selecting the Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password. Follow the remaining instructions within the app to complete the setup process. Firmware updates can sometimes be needed for a smoother connection. Firmware updates usually happen automatically, especially during the initial setup. The Ring app will notify you about available updates and their progress. If your Chime is stuck updating, try resetting it. Also ensuring it's connected to your Wi-Fi, and moving it closer to your router. If you're facing any trouble in Wi-Fi connectivity, or unable to access the Ring app for the setup, then you can reach us. We feel happy to help you. Thanks for watching.